Great marketing is all about meeting people's expectations. Whether it's a pizza that looks like it did in the TV spot, or a paid search ad that offers what you were searching on Google, we all want our expectations to be matched. The advertising industry refers to this as a message match. To put it in simple terms, a good ad matches the purpose behind the search that triggers it. If you don't get that right, people will not click on your ads. A great ad, however, will also match the landing page it sends people to after they click. To avoid frustrating the very people you've pretty much been paying to get onto your landing pages, let's take a look at how to use a message match in your PPC campaigns properly. Message match in real life. To show you how vital a message match is, let's take a look at how the message match works in the real world. For example, say you are passing the following billboard. All of a sudden, you remember that you didn't eat breakfast before heading out, and the best pancakes in the world sounds pretty good right about now. So, you turn around and head over to this pancakes place. By the time you arrive, you can almost taste the buttery, syrupy goodness, and you eagerly hop out of your car, pull open the door to this place, and smell onion rings? Something is very wrong. You're at the pancakes place, but where are the pancakes? To your confusion, there's no sign of the pancakes on the menu either. After this letdown, are you going to order onion rings? Not likely. You're frustrated, annoyed, and feel cheated. To make matters worse, you're still craving pancakes, so you're probably going to head out the door and search for a place that sells pancakes. That's it. You're going to bounce. Now, here's the thing. Was it the billboard's fault that you had such a bad experience? Not at all. The billboard did a great job of grabbing your attention and getting you to the pancakes place. That's exactly what an ad is supposed to do. Had the pancakes place offered pancakes, you would have bought them, right? The problem wasn't with the billboard, it was that the pancakes place didn't take advantage of the advertising promise. Message match in online advertising. Whether you're selling pancakes in a diner or marketing a SaaS product on Google Ads, failing to meet the expectations set by your marketing is a recipe for disaster. Nowhere is this truer than in PPC advertising. When someone's expectations aren't met in a brick and mortar location, finding another option might be more work than only making the best of an annoying situation. Online, however, finding a better solution is just a click away. So, if your landing page experience does not match the expectations set by your advertising, you'll end up paying for clicks that won't ever turn into conversions or new revenue for your business. Putting message match to work. Like our billboard example, the easiest way to explain how online message matching works is to put things in practical terms. This time, let's say that you're looking to buy a car. After doing a little homework, you fall in love with a particular car. You're reading up on your new favorite vehicle on a blog, and you see the following PPC ad. Nice, how about that? That's great targeting. You're in the market to buy a car, and here's the perfect ride. Eager to learn more, you click on the ad, only to end up on this page. All of a sudden, you start having pancakes flashbacks. How did you end up here? Did you click on a bike ad by accident? Is your confusion the result of bad advertising? No, not at all. The ad was great. You clicked on it because it was a perfect match for you and your needs. The problem is, the landing page doesn't match the messaging of the ad at all. Rather than stick around and try to figure out how you ended up on this distressingly wrong landing page, you're going to bounce. And just like the Pancakes Diner, this advertiser just lost out on a potential sale. But what if instead of landing on the bike landing page, you had found yourself on this page? Doesn't that feel better? Between the consistent images and branding, this page doesn't make you wonder, what am I doing here? Not all landing pages need to match their associated ads perfectly, but if you want your campaigns to succeed, every landing page needs to have the same messaging and feel like your ad. If not, your potential customers will leave, and all the money you spent on their click will be wasted. Conclusion: context, relevance, and sticking to the theme. Your ads can't afford to send your visitors to a page that seems to have nothing to do with the ad itself. Visitors will automatically bounce if they don't see a connection from the original click. I hope you enjoyed this video about message matching. If I can help you create or improve your landing pages, reach out to me at heymattia.com and let's talk about how I can help with your business goals. Thank you for watching and see you next week.